Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable photos on Pinterest so you can upload and share your own images without any issues. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to the Pinterest website on your browser and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, to enable photo uploads, look for Theplus button or Create option at the bottom of the screen. This is where you add new content. Select Pin, and you'll see the option to upload a photo. If you're on mobile, Pinterest may ask for permission to access your photos. Make sure you tap Allow so the app can open your gallery. On PC, you'll need to select a file from your computer. Once permissions are enabled, you can upload photos anytime by tapping Create Pin. Choosing your image, and then adding details like a title, description, and link. Finally, choose a board. To save your pin and hit Publish, and that's it. You've now enabled photos and can start uploading your own images to Pinterest. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.